In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Microsoft Word document with ease, ensuring that your work is securely stored. Let's get started with a few simple steps to make sure your documents are not only saved, but also well organized. First off, you'll need to open the Microsoft Word file you'd like to save. Whether you're working on a new document or revisiting an existing one, it's important to have your file open and ready. Opening the right file ensures that you're saving precisely what you intend to, avoiding any mix-ups with other documents you might be working on simultaneously. Once you're in your document, the next step is straightforward: saving your work. To do this, you'll have to navigate to the toolbar at the top of your window. Look towards the upper left-hand corner of your screen, just above the word File, which is usually prominent in the menu bar. Here you'll find the Save button. It's often positioned before the undo arrow, easily identifiable by its purple color. This button could be your document's best friend, as it's your key to protecting those precious words and ideas. Clicking on this Save button is critical. By doing so, you're ensuring that all your recent changes are firmly stored in your document. If you're using Microsoft Word for the first time or are new to its interface, this is a good practice to get into. Regularly clicking Save can save you from potential data loss, providing peace of mind that your progress is constantly being preserved. Now that you've clicked the Save button, you can rest assured that your document is securely saved. Depending on whether this is your first time saving the document, you might be prompted to choose a location on your computer where the file will be stored. Select a folder that's easy for you to remember and access. Naming your file wisely is also a good habit. A descriptive file name can save you time in the future when you're searching for this particular document. And there we have it. You're done. Your Microsoft Word document is safely saved. By following these steps, you've ensured your hard work is not vulnerable to unexpected mishaps like power outages or software crashes. Remember, saving frequently as you work can expedite your workflow and reduce stress. Thank you for tuning in to this simple but essential guide on saving a Microsoft Word document. Regular saving is one of those small habits that make a big difference over time, helping you maintain control over your digital workspace. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more videos on our channel to boost your productivity and familiarity with everyday software. Until next time, happy typing and remember to save often.